welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello! I'm so glad you decided to click on this video and I would love for you to join my YouTube squad. So hit the subscribe button if you enjoy what you see today and also give me a like because that would be super awesome. And yeah, let's get into this video. So today's video is kind of going up a bit late to say it's a Valentine's nail video, but I did my own nails the other day and I'm super happy with these nails. They're literally my favourite nails that I've ever done. So today's video is going to be a watch me do my own nails, how I did these. I'll just let you know I used Mia Secret acrylic system and I used Smiley glitters. I will try and link everything down below. I use the Smiley glitters to do this is what the glitter is. It's just one glitter. Oh, and I use a tiny bit of just a regular glitter as well. But you'll see that when we get into the video. So yes, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. So I've already prepped the nail and I'm using these are the CJP almond tips. They're very stiletto-like. And I'm using Mia Secret acrylic system. So the liquid monomer and the clear acrylic. Gosh. So yeah, I'm just at this point, I've prepped the nail, I've done all that good stuff, and I'm now just applying a really thin layer of clear to be my base so that when I do decide to take these nails off, hopefully, instead of just soaking them off, I'm going to just file it all off and we'll be left with the clear base. And it just protects my own nail, I suppose, a little bit. And like I said before, these are the CJP pinched. So these are pre-pinched almond tips and I'm really happy with them. Obviously they're just clear and yeah, I love them. So here I'm using the Mia Secret Cover Pink and oh my gosh you guys, I love this Cover Pink so much. I'll just tell you now, it has a little bit of a shimmer to it, so obviously some people won't like that. I love it and I just think it looks so nice on these nails. So my pinky finger is just a full finger of just the Cover Pink. So just to let you know, this is my first time of using this acrylic system and I'm really happy with it. I'm just kind of getting myself used to it, so obviously the application's not perfect. Obviously I'm not a professional either. Did I mention that already? I probably should just mention that right now. I'm still training and yeah, I'm very new to this system, but so far I'm flipping loving it. So the ring finger is going to be like a Cover Pink to a glitter fade, which obviously you will see as we go along. So I'm basically just covering the nail bed with the Mia Secret Cover Pink and then kind of I will be going in with some glitter on this one and I love it so much. Then my pointer finger, I do believe people call it, is gonna be an attempted smile. No, I think I did an alright job actually with this. So this is going to be a smile line with the like tip in a glitter. So I'm doing this the reverse way and I'm basically just trying to get my apex in the right place and also make sure that it's nice and thick towards like the smile area because that's obviously what I needed to do. I think I did an alright job, to be honest. I'm not good at smile lines and I find it really difficult when using glitter as well. I'm gonna try a smile line with an actual colour, like even probably just a white, just like a French, because I haven't tried that yet and I have a feeling that I'm going to do a better job with that than the glitter. But yeah, you guys will understand what I mean. So I'm also just, obviously I've already done my other hand, so at this point I'm also just making sure that the nail bed is as the same as I can on both fingers, if that makes sense. You know what I mean. So I'm just like checking between both fingers to make sure that they match. So also just trying to get it as straight and as perfect as I can before, because I'm going to go in and file it anyway. So moving on to my thumb, I decided I wanted to have a little love heart made out of the Cover Pink, which again, I'm obsessed with this Cover Pink. It's my favourite Cover Pink definitely that I've tried yet. I just love it. So anyway, without being too obsessed with that, I'm just putting a ball to start with, and then I'm shaping the ball into a heart, if that makes sense. And also, again, just making sure that the hearts are as similar as possible across both thumbs, because I like symmetry. And yeah, I'm just trying to flatten it out a bit, give it a bit of shape. You can see what I'm doing, right? So then once it's dried, I'm then going to go in and file it and try and really sharpen the edges. I'm going to do this with the love heart, and I'm also going to do it with the smile line. And yeah, I just want to make sure that they're both perfect before I go any further and do anything else. So I decided this wasn't quite smooth enough on top. Obviously I managed to file the edges, but it was very difficult to like file and smooth the top out. So I just went in with a little bit more to try and make it as smooth as possible on top. So once I've got the smile line and the love heart how I want them, it's time to go in with the glitter. So I'm using Love Island by Smiley Glitter here, and just the tiniest bit of that red glitter that you saw earlier. I'm just taking my Mia Secret Clear, and that's what I'm using to apply all of this with. So I'm just going a quick wash over with the clear and then going in with the glitter. Now, this glitter is really, really chunky. It's got loads of big chunky bits in it, like love hearts and things like that. And for me, I found this really, really difficult to work with just because I'm not used to working with glitter, especially chunky glitter. But nonetheless, the glitter is gorgeous. I am in love with it. I think it looks amazing once encapsulated as well. But it is, I did struggle to work with it. So that's why I definitely chose to put the clear down and then pick the glitter up, as opposed to kind of picking up the clear and picking up the glitter, if that makes sense. I just found it easy to do it this way, so you guys might find that easier too. And I just used the extra tiny pieces of glitter just to kind of blend in on the places where there wasn't as much chunky glitter, if that makes sense. So the middle finger is now just going to be a full finger of this glitter, which I love. So I'm just going in with the clear as you saw, and then again going in with the chunky glitter and just trying to place it all over the nail, just trying to get it as even as possible. And the whole time throughout doing this hand, I'm also checking back with my first hand and just making sure that they're as symmetrical and as even as possible. Then once I've covered it and I've got it how I like it, it's time to encapsulate. And I just went in and encapsulated the whole thing. Now guys, I am so sorry about this. I didn't realise, but my flipping memory card was full like halfway through, and I thought I'd captured most of everything, but apparently I didn't. So I've gone over the smile line with the glitter and also around the love heart on the thumbnail with the glitter. And I'm so sorry that it's not in this video, but at least you got to see me applying some of that, so you kind of get the gist of it. And then what I'm doing is I'm coming in with that smile line and I'm encapsulating in all my nice Mia Secret Clear and basically taking it right up to where the top of the Cover Pink is as well. I'm not going over the Cover Pink, but I'm taking it right up to the Cover Pink so that it's like, you know, like even and stuff. So going in with this one, as you can see, I got that bead way too dry then. It was definitely too dry, but anyways, I'm encapsulating everything on this finger. I'm encapsulating the whole of the glitter and also the love heart as well, because I wanted it to be like all smooth. Now, as you can see, it is difficult because you end up getting glitter everywhere. Like, glitter is so difficult to work with. I feel like when I work with glitter, I always end up with my brush being a little bit like contaminated, as in I don't manage to keep my brushes clear because I'm too busy trying to fiddle about putting glitter in the right place and all that good stuff. So yeah, my brush at this stage is not perfect, and I'm aware of that. I just thought I would put that in there in case some of you thought that I wasn't. I am aware that, you know, things are not going as smoothly at this stage, but I think I'm definitely improving so much compared to when I started. If you look back a couple of months on my videos, then yeah. So I'm just doing the best I can without having to swap the brush over, and I did give it a super good clean after, and now it's perfectly fine. So yeah, just encapsulating this whole thumb with clear, and then I'll be time to file. So just going in with the regular filing routine, side walls, cuticle area, free edge, smoothing it all out. I don't think I used my e-file on this actually at all. I think I literally just use a hand file. I definitely I don't have as much filing as I used to have. I used to have so much filing to do. It used to be so bumpy and lumpy, but yeah, I'm definitely getting better. So file over it, get it to the shape that you like it, and then it's time to come in with our magic buffing block and give it a good buff and make sure it's all nice and smooth. I then just take some acetone and a lint-free wipe and I give it a good wipe over. This just kind of helps to smooth it out and obviously gets rid of all the dust. I'm using my Neo Nails Urban Graffiti Top Coat, which, by the way, please somebody else comment down below and let me know. Do you think this has like a really nice smell to it? Because I think this smells really nice. Like, is that really weird? It has like a perfumey kind of smell or something like that. It's weird. Anyway, I'm just going over the whole of my nails with this just to make it nice and shiny and keep it nice and safe. And just look at the beauty. Oh my god, I just love it. This glitter is so gorgeous. I love it. Once this top coat's on as well, you can also see the shimmeriness of the cover pink, which I just think is so beautiful. So after I did the first 4 nails, I did a really quick flash dry in the Cura machine thing. I don't know why I forgot the name of the lamp there, but yeah, I do a quick flash dry just to make sure that I don't end up running anything into my cuticle area, which usually ends up happening, especially when I use clear, because sometimes I can't really tell how much I'm putting on. But yeah, just look how beautiful these nails look once they are done. I gave them a couple of minutes to cure just because I wanted to make sure they were all good. I wiped over with gel residue wipe off solution from Neo Nails, and this is the finished result. I am so pleased with these. They're my favourites so far, and I really hope you guys like them too. And that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do give me a thumbs up if you did. It really helps me out. It helps me out every time you like the videos and you comment on the videos. It really helps me out. It tells YouTube that people are enjoying the videos, if that makes sense. So if you are new, I hope you did decide to hit the subscribe button. There's lots more to come. We have loads of fun in this channel. I love you guys so much. When I hit 5k, the giveaway winner will be announced for the box giveaway. I wasn't originally waiting for 5k, but I feel like we're getting close now, so I'm just going to say that's going to be the cut-off point. So please do subscribe to my website. If you haven't already seen the giveaway video, it's on my channel, and that will tell you everything you need to do to enter. There's not that many people that are entered, I'm not going to lie, which is why I've been kind of dragging it on a bit to try and get more people to enter, but hey ho, if you haven't entered by the time I hit 5k, then I guess you can't enter. But I'm going to be doing lots of other giveaways as well. I've got a big pile of stuff. I've got a friend that gave me some stuff as well, so yeah. Thought I would just shove that in there, and I will see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.